In the quest for fitness, the MaxKare MKB901 Folding Treadmill emerges as a beacon for home workouts. Let's dive into what makes this treadmill a worthy companion for your fitness journey. Boasting a robust frame and a soft-drop folding mechanism, the MaxKare MKB901 is not just about saving space, it's about delivering performance. With dimensions that accommodate even the most vigorous workouts and a motor that pushes up to 8.5 miles per hour, this treadmill is designed to keep pace with your fitness goals. The steel frame of the MaxKare MKB901, coated in corrosion-resistant gray paint, ensures durability while the thermoplastic components add a modern touch. Its footprint, while not overly large, requires a bit of room, and the convenience of a folding design means you can reclaim your space post-workout with ease. The deck of the MaxKare MKB901 offers a comfortable walking area with a multi-layered belt for a secure footing. The manual incline feature with 3 levels allows for varied workout intensity. However, adjustments require a pause in your routine, a small trade-off for the added exercise benefits. Equipped with a 2.5 horsepower motor, the treadmill caters to both walking and running. The speed can be fine-tuned in 0.1 mph increments, and the console's preset programs automatically adjust the pace, keeping your workouts dynamic and challenging. The LED display console keeps track of your essential workout metrics, while the lack of Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity keeps things straightforward. 15 workout programs offer variety, and the angle-adjustable console ensures you can always have a clear view of your progress. Assembly is a breeze, with most of the treadmill coming pre-assembled. Maintenance is minimal, focusing on keeping the belt lubricated and the machine clean to ensure longevity and optimal performance. The MaxKare MKB901 shines with its sturdy construction, ease of assembly, and variety of workout programs. However, the lack of app connectivity and a telemetric console may leave tech-savvy users wanting more. The MaxKare MKB901 is a solid choice for those seeking a light-capacity folding treadmill for home use. It's built for a variety of workouts, from walking to running, and is competitively priced, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious fitness enthusiasts. When selecting a treadmill, size matters. Consider the length, width, and height, especially if you plan to run or use the incline feature. Ensure the treadmill fits your stride and provides enough room for comfortable movement, so your path to fitness is both effective and enjoyable.